Ditch the paper chaos and say hello to effortless document signing with DocuSign. First, head over to DocuSign.com and sign up for a free trial while you're no credit card needed to explore the basics. Once you're logged in, hit the New button, then select Upload to bring in the document you need. Sign supported files include PDFs, Word documents, and more. DocuSign's intuitive interface lets you simply drag and drop fields onto your document while you're things like signature boxes, date fields, and initial spots. Next, add your recipients' email addresses and customize the signing order. This ensures everyone signs in the correct sequence, crucial for agreements and contracts. After you've placed all the necessary fields and specified your recipients, just click Send. DocuSign will automatically email them a secure link to sign. Your recipient receives an email, clicks the link, and is guided through the signing process step by step. It's all legally binding and incredibly easy. Finally, track the status of your document in your DocuSign dashboard. You'll receive notifications when each person has signed, and a fully executed copy is automatically stored for your records. So, ditch the paper and streamline your workflow with DocuSign. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today.